Welcome to English Grammar class, dear students. So I shall proceed with today's lesson shortly after taking the pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. A promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. A promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. So dear students, we are reading chapter number 13, Active and Passive Voice. So let's have a recap. So when the subject does the action in a sentence, the sentence is said to be in active voice. And when the subject is acted upon in a sentence, the sentence is said to be in passive voice. So today we are going to start with exercise A of this chapter. So please open up your books at page number 97. Rewrite these sentences according to the instructions. So these sentences are given with some instructions. We have to follow those instructions and rewrite these sentences accordingly. First is, who wrote this book? So book is the object in this case, but according to the instruction we have to begin with by whom. So after this we will use the perfect be verb here. So we have used was because it was in past. So by whom was this book written? Question mark. Next is, the tall man created a disturbance at the meeting. So we have to begin with a disturbance and then we will use the be verb, which is was, because this was again in past form. So a disturbance was, then past participle created at the meeting by the tall man. So tall man was the subject in this case and it became the object when we are going to change it into passive voice. Next is, the dog was hit by a naughty boy. A naughty boy was the object in this case, so it will become the subject when we are going to change into passive. A naughty boy hit the dog. Now he will be elected monitor by the class. So the class, we have to begin it with the class. Will elect him monitor. Next is, he was known to be a kind man. So the people, we have to begin with the people, knew him to be a kind man. We have used the past participle. Next is, he was appointed principal. So we have to begin with they. So they, past participle, appointed him principal. Now Hari opened the door. So we have to begin with the door. Then the be verb, which will be was, because it is again in past form, and then past participle opened by Hari. Next is, be prohibit smoking. So smoking is prohibited by us. Keats wrote the poem Ode to Autumn. So we have to begin with the poem Ode to Autumn and then we will use was written by Keats. We elected him leader. So he was elected leader by us. Now exercise B. Change these sentences into passive voice. So the active voice is, Columbus discovered America. So America is the object and it will become the subject when we are going to change it into passive voice. And then was, and then the past participle discovered by Columbus. Next is, who cleaned the garden? By whom was the garden cleaned? Question mark. Now shut the door. It will become, let the door be shut by you. They are reading books. So it will become, books are being read by them. Next is, I will paint the gate. It will be, the gate will be painted by me. So when there is are in the active voice, it will become are being and third form of verb. And when there is will in the active voice, in the passive it will be will be and then past participle, which means third form of verb. Somebody broke the pots yesterday. So it is containing the second form of verb in the active voice. So the passive will contain the pots were broken by somebody yesterday. So we have changed it into were broken. He sings a song. Now this is containing S, verb's first form with a S. A song is sung by him. The man rescued a snake. It will become a snake was rescued by him. They caught him. So he was caught by them. Farmers sow rice in the rainy season. So rice is the object, so it will become the subject. Rice is sown by farmers in the rainy season. Are you painting a picture? Is a picture being painted by you? The laborers were digging a well. A well was being dug by the laborers. I will finish the painting by the end of this week. The painting, which was the object and it has become the subject now. The painting will be finished by me by the end of this week. Have you finished your homework? Has your homework been finished by you? They have informed him about his friend. He has been informed about his friend by them. They took all the necessary precautions. All the necessary precautions were taken by them. Now exercise C. Rewrite these sentences so that the verbs are in the active voice. So these are given in the passive voice. So the first is we are taught history by Mr. Ghosh. So Mr. Ghosh teaches us history. She was praised by the teacher. The teacher praised her. The injured were taken to hospital by the rescue team. The rescue team took the injured to hospital. The city was destroyed by the landslide. The landslide destroyed the city. My muffin has been eaten. I have eaten my muffin. The building was damaged by the earthquake. The earthquake damaged the building. By whom were you taught swimming? Who taught you swimming? You will be given a ticket by the bus conductor. The bus conductor will give you a ticket. The stadium was thronged by spectators. Spectators thronged the stadium. We will be encouraged by everyone. Everyone will encourage us. The trees were uprooted by the strong winds. The strong winds uprooted the trees. The thieves were caught by the police. The police caught the thieves. The letter was written by the principal. The principal wrote the letter. The parents were received by the senior students. The senior students received the parents. The deer was killed by the hunter. The hunter killed the deer. The minister was welcomed by the party members. The party members welcomed the minister. He was found guilty of kidnapping. They, or judge, found him guilty of kidnapping. For this, we have assumed it ourselves that he was found guilty of kidnapping by them or by the judge. So, the object is the judge or them. So, it will become the subject when we are going to change it into active case. Now, this house was designed by a famous architect. A famous architect designed this house. Was the work finished by her? Did she finish the work? My book has not been stolen by her. She has not stolen my book. Had the assignment been completed by him? Had he completed the assignment? Is the old library going to be knocked down? Are they going to knock down the old library? Again, we have assumed that is the old library going to be knocked down by them? So, them will become they. So, that's all for today, dear students. All the best.